gagamit kayo ng perforated metal, pero pag order nyo, tatanungin kayo, gaano ho kalaki ang butas na gusto ninyo? Well, in this video, we'll show you things to consider when choosing the right hose size for your perforated metals. First, dapat malaman natin na itong open area o mga butas is expressed as percentage. How much is punched hose and how much is metal? If 30% ang open area, then 70% ito ang metal area. Itong percentage ng open area determines not just the look, but also how it functions, such as ventilation, acoustic control, or even lighting. Also, hindi lang ang size ng butas ang importante. Vital din ang distansya ng mga butas sa isa't isa. Ang tawag dito ay pitch. Example, meron tayong dalawang sheet, both at 40% open area. Pero if you look, they are different. One has a large hose spaced out at ang isa has smaller hose pero closer together. So tandaan nyo, dapat talaga i-consider ang open area, hole size, hole shape, and pitch. All in all, choosing the right hose size starts with the purpose of application and together with the other factors like open area, shape, and even pitch, you can have perforated metal sheet that works for you.